my finger. Welcome back, guys. I hope you're all okay. I'm back here working on my 86 Chevy. Last week you saw me painting the engine bay with epoxy primer, and today I'm gonna move on and start working on the floor panel. So I will have to strip the old paint down to anything, and then from there obviously put an epoxy primer on it as well. Again, I still got loads to do and only 2 weeks left now until body shop. So with that, let's not waste any time and let's begin. Now let's go through what and why I've done it here this week. So number one, why I've removed most of the paint from the inside. Could get away just with sanding everything down and putting a new paint on it. But the thing is, back in 2014, I think, the car's been already resprayed by someone. That's including the insides. Not only the color doesn't match, not that I'm going for the original one, it came actually from the Ford range of colors, but the inside that was covered, it was the right color, but it was covered with a paintbrush rather than the spray gun. And then obviously there was a question of whether the floor panels are rusty, whether they need some kind of a replacement or just some minor welding in. Fortunately, I was lucky enough, the floor panels weren't too bad, so there was like, I think, a couple of rusty spots on it. So I got away with fixing just the small patches, nothing major. I wasn't forced to replace the whole floor panels or anything like that. Number two, the fuel pump door trap. I know some people might have some questions about it, why I did it, what I did that for. The simple answer is that was already there. It wasn't done by me, it was done by one of the previous owners. It was already there, so there wasn't much that I can do about it. So I decided, rather than just welding it in, which would leave a mark anyways, I decided to fabricate some kind of a door trap. You can buy online, out of the shelf, brand new, ready one to fit, but they are quite pricey. So I decided to make one by myself. The idea behind it is, obviously, as you saw, there was a frame. I've drilled some holes in it. Now I'm gonna thread the holes in, and then obviously on the top of that there was gonna be a plate coming in with a soundproofing material, and that will be screwed in. So if at one point comes to changing the fuel pump, I'm gonna be able just to screw that out and replace the fuel pump. Simple as that. Once the paint was removed, which took me 3 days, by the way, and I chopped a bit of my finger as well. Number three was to clean everything out and put an epoxy primer on it yet again. So I've oversprayed everything a bit. Again, everything will have to be sanded down later on at some point anyways. So yeah, I've oversprayed everything. What's gonna happen now, I'm gonna leave that here for probably 5 to 7 days. Then I'm gonna do all of the finishing touches, such as sealers and stuff like that. And then next week the car is going to body shop finally. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I can't wait. Hopefully you'll like the color I picked. So yeah, next Saturday I'm putting a car on a shell on a trailer and I'm taking it to the body shop. But before I do any of that, I need to fit some kind of a tow bar and electric plug to my VW, so I can tow this one out from here. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see how to fit a new tow bar and a wiring loom for the tow bar in a VW T5. That is it for this week. I really need to be honest, I'm exhausted, you know, just working on that floor panels and the insides in a different way, kind of positions, was exhausting. So plus the fumes, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but my voice is a bit down because of the fumes and the dust and all of that crap. So always be sure to wear a mask, a proper mask. Thanks for watching. My name is David and I'll see you next week.